Sir,
You understand?
they're finding out asymptotes without making a graph.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt in those questions, sir.
मुझे क्वेश्चन बताओ तब मैं बताऊंगा कैसे विदाउट मेकिंग द ग्राफ दे कैन वी कैन फाइंड
Sir, the 9.4e questions. In that, in like class, we
I will
made.
tell you beta, just show me the questions.
अच्छा वो लॉग के साथ कराया था
9.4e. Let me
Yeah.
open in that.
Oh, 9. 4e only.
See, like the question is where you have 9.4e, there is one question 5 to the power x. Now a to the power x will have asymptote as the x-axis or y equal to 0 because the value can never be 0. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then suppose you have the function y equal to 1 by x. Now can the denominator be 0? So x equal to 0 will be the asymptote. Now because the x cannot be equal to 0, y equal to 0 will also be the asymptote because function की value 0 तो हो ही नहीं सकती. So the asymptotes will be x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Which other question in this exercise? One is 2 by x plus 1. Now one asymptote will be x equal to 0. Correct? Now this, the value of this cannot be equal to 0. Means the value of the function cannot be equal to 1. Because this cannot be equal to zeros. So 0 plus 1, the function's value can never be equal to 1. So y equal to 1 will be the asymptote. Are we able to understand? अगर आपके स्कूल ने और कोई मेथड कराया तो इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर ग्रेड. For your grade we can, yeah?
Sir, I had one doubt about asymptotes.
Yes, ask.
So like is it always like x is equal to 0, y is infinity, or y is 0, x is infinity, or
It's
like
not
x
always like that. It's
so
not
like
always.
so y can have some other values but one of them has to be infinity.
No बेटा no. asymptotes में infinity कहाँ से आ गया मुझे नहीं समझ.
तो स्कूल में तो ऐसे ही पता नहीं क्यों समझा रहे कंफ्यूज
स्कूल के सर से समझ ही नहीं आती.
बेटा गलत समझा रहे हैं.
ऐसे
ऐसे नहीं. ऐसे नहीं होता है. Like I have told you 1 by x function है. तो x can, the function's value of x cannot be equal to 0. तो आपका x equal to 0 asymptote होगा because it's a reciprocal function. Then because ये reciprocal function है, इसकी value कभी भी y equal to 0 नहीं होगी. तो y equal to 0 will be the asymptote. So this is one way of finding. Second way is by graphing. Okay, guys. Now, if your teacher is teaching something which I don't think is correct, so I won't go on that line. So you can do like this directly by अगर आपके question solve हो जाएगा इससे भी और graph से भी. You can without graph also I have explained and with graph तो I have already explained to you. All right, Anvi, does this help?
Yes, sir.
क्या करना है भाई अब?
9.6
सर असिम्प्टोट के ही एक दो क्वेश्चन करा दो.
बेटा पूरी 9.4e है उसमें से जो मर्जी कर लो आप. पूरे हमने क्वेश्चंस क्लास में किए थे 9.4e के. तो we found asymptotes by graphing. Without graphing, अगर if you have any question in your mind कि सर इसका हम without graph कैसे करेंगे, you ask me.
ओके सर.
The only thing to notice is y equal to 2 by x plus 1. इसका asymptote y equal to 0 नहीं होगा. This asymptote will be y equal to 1. Because the function is raised by 1 unit. Whenever I add something to a function, I raise it by that value. अगर मैं पॉजिटिव में है तो मैं पॉजिटिव अपलिफ्ट कर रहा हूं. अगर वो नेगेटिव में है तो आई एम पुटिंग इट, ब्रिंगिंग इट डाउन. द होल ग्राफ, द होल फंक्शन. If it was here, -2, तो मेरा फंक्शन 2 स्टेप्स नीचे आ जाएगा। मेरा असिम्प्टोट केवल इस फंक्शन का था y इक्वल टू 0, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस -2 माई असिम्प्टोट विल बी y इक्वल टू -2। मैं डेस्मोस पे भी दिखा देता हूं आपको, क्लियर हो जाएगा। So whenever you have any doubt, you can consult Desmos uncle.
Yes,
So
sir.
your function is y1 by x. See guys, asymptote दिख रहा है, y equal to 0 है. Now I lift this by 2 units, 3 units lift करता हूँ. अब मेरा asymptote कितना हो गया? Y equal to 3. I will show you the line. Can you see? And because the value of the function cannot be 0, my asymptote is also x equal to 0. So all this you will study if you think of giving the AP exam for pre-calculus. ये सब आएगा उसमें. All this is a part of that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This
We
means that
find
one of the value must be 0.
कहाँ दिए मैं, क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
So the one of the value must be 0.
Who said one of the value must be 0? The function is not defined at 0.
Okay, sir.
See बेटा, ये reciprocal function है. Can you put x equal to 0 in this? तो function is not defined to 0. तो अगर आप, हो सकता है उन्होंने ऐसे कराया हो कि आप लो x equal to 1.1, बहुत छोटी values लो 1.2, तो it will tend towards 0 or something. ऐसे we find the limits basically this way. But limits it's not in your curriculum, so directly I can say because the function is not defined at 0, the value will reach near to 0, but it will never get 0. So x equal to 0 is the vertical asymptote, y equal to 0 is the horizontal asymptote for this. अब आप जितना ऐड करोगे, x asymptote तो सेम रहेगा, but y के asymptote में उतना वो ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट होते जाएगा. Anvi, any other doubt? And Miss Anne, any other doubt? Cannot hear you, Anvi.
No, sir.
You have to do 9.68. So this we did. So 9.6b also we did. We have to do this question. Draw the graph of the function. So what am I going to do is, I'm going to take values from -2 to 3. मैं -2 value लूंगा, -1 लूंगा, 0 लूंगा, 1 लूंगा, 2 लूंगा, and I'll take 3 also. Then I will try to make the graph. If I feel that there are set of points, जैसे maybe like there are points where I'm not clear कि मेरा graph कैसा है, then I can take a point in between also. Suppose I'm not clear कि मेरा graph between 1 and 2 कैसा है, I can take a point 1.5 also. I can take a point 2.5 also. Tani, when I am explaining, beta, you listen up. So I can take a point 0.5 also. So whenever I feel that I'm not clear how my graph is going, I can take some extra points. There is no limits on taking the number of points, but yes, if you don't make an accurate graph, your marks will be cut. Okay. So try solving the question example 1 and make a diagram of the points and then give me the answer.
Sir, example 1. Sir, no.
Yes, beta. Example 1 A part.
Percent.
इतनी जल्दी तानी?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, because when you were explaining, I was drawing.
See, beta, this is the wrongdoing that that you have done. When the teacher is explaining you,
Yes, sir.
then you are doing something else. So, Ore, did he do the right thing?
Yes, sir. I just got the value for -2.
No, I am saying, did Tanish do the right thing?
No, sir.
Ray, what do you think? What do you feel? Did he do the right thing?
Because Tanish is a very bad parabolic.
Sir,
Beta, where is the second part? इसमें you have to find the solution. एक ग्राफ तो आपने लिया 2x square minus x minus 3. Then you have to take y equal to 6 also. Where is that graph?
sir, I'm
Then
drawing
you have
that.
to find their points of intersection. Where have you done that?
Sir, वो तो कर रहा हूँ.
और देखो -1 से 0 में आपके ग्राफ को क्या कोई डिजीज हो गई थी?
सर क्या?
कुछ -1 से 0 में आपके ग्राफ को कोई डिजीज हो गई थी?
नो सर.
वो ऐसे बेंड क्यों हो रहा है? फिर डिजीज ही हुई थी तो ऐसे बेंड क्यों हो रहा है वो?
सर अब मेरा हाथ इतना अच्छा नहीं है.
तो बेटा फिर मार्क्स भी उतने अच्छे नहीं मिलेंगे. Do it, guys. Enough. Eight, six.
So they're not intersecting.
They will intersect. Two x square minus x minus 3. So it is 2x square. 6. Two x square minus x minus 3 equals to 6. So Kuvarsa, where is my screenshot?
I'm doing it.
So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3. I should start with negative 2. So when x is negative 2, y is equal to 7. When x is minus 1, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 2, and we have 1 also. 3, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. So I will have minus 2, 0 पे minus 3, minus 2, y equal to 12, equal to 3. So these are the coordinates. Kuvarsa, where is my solution? Kuvarsa and Ore.
Just
Sir, I disconnected, so फिर time लग रहा था.
So I will mark the points minus 2, 7 and minus 1, comma 0 and 0, comma minus 3 and we have 1, comma minus 2. Comma 3, 3, comma 12. All right. So Kuvarsa, did you got these points?
Yes.
Sir, I got the points and I've drawn.
Sir, I also got the parts. I'm just drawing the graph.
Okay. So everyone has made one mistake. Let me tell you what's that mistake. Everyone has in the class has made that mistake. So can I, Cover send me your screenshot so that I can explain. So Ray, it will definitely intersect with y equal to 6. This is the line of y equal to 6. So it will definitely intersect. Cover, can you keep on unmute?
Yes, sir.
Beta, where is my screenshot?
Sir, I'm just drawing the graph and sending you.
So you guys can do the B part till that time. Now B part may be tricky, I have to explain. Cover, please, itna time नहीं लो. 25 minutes for one question is too much, beta. Chalo, first 10 minutes I was explaining, still 15 minutes हो गए.
This is almost done.
Sir, should I send you my answer in chat?
No, don't send me your answers.
Sir, that one, A part, sir, intersection point.
No, don't send.
Sir, you can explain.
What, beta? First मुझे screenshot तो भेजो आपने किया क्या है?
So the points aren't matching, I guess.
You tell me what values did you get for the points?
So for when -2 7, -1 0 0 -3
1 second, -1 0, then 0,
-3
then next,
1 -2
correct next,
2 3
correct next,
3 12.
correct next.
Uh,
That's it.
yes, sir.
Beta, then it's fine. Points तो match कर रहे हैं. और draw क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हो?
Sir, I don't know. Deep
मुझे
issue.
screenshot भेजो ना बेटा. Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Over, unmute. Don't mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Beta, why are you taking it down? What is the value of -2?
-2. Oh, sir. Okay.
Okay, so everyone look here. 1 second. Ray, you got the mistake. So
Yes.
what everyone did was made a graph like this. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Now, can anyone tell me what is the mistake in this?
Sir, we didn't have to make
Guys,
stuff like this.
I will tell you. I will tell you. और इस चीज के marks कटेंगे
I
आपके.
can understand y is equal to 6 क्यों करना था सर. I thought 2x square minus x minus 9 कर सकते थे.
बेटा we did y equal to 6 because y equal to 6 दूसरी line है उसमें we'll find the intersection points and that
So
will be my
we have
answer.
to find two. We have to make two graphs. So
बेटा first I am talking about the A part.
oh,
So Anvi, unmute, everyone keep on unmute. So what mistake is there? That this is not the vertex. What is the vertex? The lowest point or the topmost point in a graph. So this is on especially of a parabola. So this is not my vertex. अब मुझे आप बोलोगे how will you come to know what is the vertex? So if your equation is this, जो x, the formula for finding the vertex is minus b upon 2a. Minus b upon 2a. So what is minus b? This will be plus 1. Because b is minus 1, it will be plus 1. What will be 2a? This is a. So it will be 1 upon 4. So your vertex will be on 1 upon 4. So let's check this. Let's check. I will show you also once. Let's check also. The equation is 2x square minus x minus 3. So see, जो ग्राफ का लोअर मोस्ट पॉइंट है वो आप देखोगे it will come on where? It will be minus 0.25. 0.25, not minus, plus 0.25. Can you see, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now the formula is minus b by 2a. What is b? अगर आपकी इक्वेशन है ax square plus bx plus c के फॉर्म में, then the vertex x coordinate of the vertex will be minus b by 2a. Please make a note of it. मतलब इस पॉइंट पे आने के बाद भी वो और नीचे जाएगा. कहां तक जाएगा? जब x 0.25 होता है. मतलब आपका ये लोअर मोस्ट पॉइंट नहीं होगा ग्राफ का. प्लीज एवरीवन नोट डाउन द फॉर्मूला फॉर वर्टेक्स. इफ योर इक्वेशन इज ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ ax square plus bx plus c, the x coordinate of vertex will be minus b by 2a. The x coordinate of vertex will be minus b by 2a. Means आपका ग्राफ इसके और नीचे जाएगा. कहां तक जाएगा? When x is equal to 1 by 4. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Kovarsa, Ore, Anvi, please give me a verbal
Yes.
confirmation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now thing is these two are my points. Correct? So as we proceed to the B part, you can make a different diagram also. कि आप एक बना लो 2x square minus x, एक बना लो x plus 5. But because the question was in parts, A part में आप already 2x square minus x minus 3 का ग्राफ बना चुके हो. So you can convert the left hand side into this form because drawing a parabola is a bigger thing. So you can subtract 3 from both sides of this. Can I do that? I have subtracted 3 from both sides.
Sir,
So
why?
here I got 2x square minus x minus 3. Here I got x plus 2. Now what I will do is I will just make the line of x plus 2. I will, in my previous graph, I will just make the line of x plus 2. And wherever this line and the parabola intersect, that is my approximate solution or my answer. All right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now using this concept only, they have asked the next question. अभी ये समझ आया कोवर?
Yes,
Are
sir.
we good with this? So they have asked the next question, which says that assuming that the graph of y equal to x square minus 3x plus 1 has been drawn. मतलब आप assume करो कि ये ग्राफ हमारा already drawn है. You have to find the equation of the line which should be drawn to solve this. Means आपको solve ये करना है. So which lines equation will be you draw so that you can draw the line on this graph itself. I will repeat my question. आपको ग्राफ दिया है इसका. अब आप इसका ग्राफ नहीं बना सकते. But they have asked you कि आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करो using this graph only. So what you can do, you can draw the equation of the line. So what will be that equation of the line? So basically you have to convert this into this form. आपको इसको इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. Are we getting? So try and give me the answer. You don't have to draw anything, you just have to give the answer. If you don't understand, it's okay. I'll explain. I'm giving a minute. So other than chapter 9, any other chapter would also be coming?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
सर वो पता नहीं सर
सर वो कह रहे हैं हम बताएंगे नहीं बेसिकली.
Like vectors and trigonometry will be done in the next class, right? Statistics also will be done in the next class.
तो वो हो गया स्टैटिस्टिक्स.
Statistics हो गया. Mensuration is left and trigonometry is left.
Or these two I think we will do in 10th.
And what about vectors in 10th? Vectors में trigonometry use आ सकती है. Eleven chapters तो खत्म हो गए. 10 chapters. Correct, Tani Vani. So others should I explain? Ore, Anvi,
सर नो सर ऑलमोस्ट
Ray, Kuvarsa. So guys, next week I won't be taking any classes. I'm traveling. Kuvarsa, especially for you, अगर आपको doubt हो आप मुझे message कर देना.
Okay, sir.
Correct, Anvi and Ore. Ray and Kuvarsa, should I explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, beta. Your equation is this x square minus 4x plus 3. अब आपको कन्वर्ट करना है इसको x square minus 3x में. This is equal to 0. So first of all, let's see the x term. What can I add on both sides so that I get 3x? What can I add or subtract on both sides?
So 1.
Add 1.
No, beta. Add x.
X, yeah.
X square minus 4x plus 3 plus x equal to x. Do you agree?
Sir.
तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? X square minus 3x plus 3 equal to x बन गया ये. फर्स्ट टर्म तो पहले से ही मैच हो रही थी, अब सेकंड टर्म भी मैच होने लगी. अब मुझे यहाँ पे +3 की जगह +1 चाहिए. So what will I do, Kuvarsa?
-2.
-2 from both sides.
Yes, sir. X square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2.
So which lines equation you will do to find the equation? To find the solution, you will make the equation of x minus 2. ग्राफ इसका दिया हुआ है, अगर x minus 2 कर दो तो आपका इसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to give you a few questions from my side. With Tanish, Can I give it a my side questions?
What side?
Do I have the permission of giving my side questions from my side?
No, sir.
No? See guys. So you have to give the vertex of this. इसका vertex बताओ guys. Quickly. नहीं आता? I'll help you. Solve नहीं करना कुछ भी. Question को देखो और बताओ.
Sir, we have to speak.
Yes, Tani बोल दो चलो.
3.
3.
3 is the vertex. Because the shape's parabola will be like this. X minus 3 whole square. So vertex is what? 3. ठीक है. अब गाइस मुझे बताओ इसका वर्टेक्स और शेप कैसा होगा. कोवर विल टेल मी. कोवर इसका शेप और वर्टेक्स कैसा होगा. दिस वन minus x minus 3 whole square. कोवर अनम्यूट. पहले वर्टेक्स क्या होगा कोवर.
So 3.
Vertex will be 3 and how will be the shape.
So it will be downwards, a U shape.
It will be downwards. Exactly. Good. Now means that you are listening in the class, not daydreaming about US. Now we have x 3x square minus 6x plus 20. What will be the vertex? Everyone give it to x. What will be the x coordinate of vertex? Give it in the chat.
क्या हुआ? हाँ?
Very bad, Tanish. You are not paying attention. Who are unmute? Keep on unmute, please. Ray wrong. Yeah, now it's correct, Ray. Uber, Ore, Anvi. Anvi, I can't see you. But I have not seen you since 20 days. At least you come in the front of the camera today. Yes, Anvi.
Sir, I don't get it. Like, should the x be 0? Because, like, vertex is the
I will
lowest.
tell you. Ax square plus bx plus c का form हो, then my vertex will be
Oh,
minus b by 2a. So vertex for this will be minus of minus 6 upon 2 into 3. That will be 6 upon 6. That will be equal to 1.
Okay.
Okay. Got
X,
it?
x is 1. Okay.
X
Huh?
coordinate is 1. Now, if I ask you ki without drawing the graph, give me the y coordinate of the vertex also. How will you do that? So I'm
that's
giving 1 minute.
17.
17.
Correct. So what they did is they simply, because y is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 20, so simply x की जगह 1 put कर दिया. So they got 17. So 1 comma 17 is my vertex. Now let me show you also. Otherwise you will say, sir, you are joking. Tanish said, sir, you are joking. So 1 comma 17. Guys, see, the vertex is 17. Can you see?
Yes.
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 So this way you can find the vertex of a graph. But if I give you of this form, if your parabola is of this equation, then what will be the vertex? Then the vertex, because it will be 2 comma 3. How? Because if your parabola is of the form x minus a whole square plus b, then the vertex is a comma b. Then what's the vertex? A comma b. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
everyone give me the vertex of this in the chat. X plus 5 whole square minus 17. इसका vertex दो guys in the chat. So please write this form also. It's not given in your book. इससे related exercise है but ये form नहीं लिखा उसमें. This is the vertex form of the parabola. Correct, Kuvarsa? No, Kuvarsa not correct. थोड़ा सा mistake.
सर इसमें x की लिखनी है कि y की भी लिखनी है?
You have to give the coordinates of the vertex. तो उसमें x और y दोनों आ जाएगा. Anvi, you also made a little bit of a mistake. Ore, Tani Bani correct. And Ore and Ray give your answer. Ray, you also made a mistake. Ore, you can speak.
सर -5 and -17.
Correct. Guys, इसका जो sign है change हो जाता है. It becomes -5. Y coordinate remains same. It becomes -17. See, जब minus a था, I wrote a. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Now, who is doubtful कि सर ऐसे नहीं होता? मैं आपको ग्राफ बना के बताऊं. Is anyone doubtful?
No, sir.
थोड़ा सा डाउट है. Should I show the graph? Or you want to see the graph?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now we have a similar exercise in your book. For a parabola, they call the vertex as turning point also. Turning point की applications और भी होती हैं. Suppose you have a graph like this. So all these are turning points. But in parabola, you got one turning point. वो vertex की turning point होती है आपकी. Right? So basically definition
Yes, sir.
of turning point is slope changes from negative to positive or positive to negative. That's the definition also of turning point. Anyway, so we'll not go into that. Now your book, this is a direct way to find the vertex. But indirect way भी हो सकता है. Suppose my question is this. Let's say my question, let me give you a question 1 second. Let me give you a question. So now I'm telling you the vertex formula minus b by 2a you cannot use. So, and your question is x square plus 6x plus 12 plus maybe 16. 16. So I am telling you find the vertex of this. So what you will do, first you will convert this to this form. How can you convert this to this form? By completing the square. Do you guys remember completing the square method? Yes or no? So I will remind you if you have forgotten. पहले x square plus 6x जो middle term होती है उसको I divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I will add 3 square, which is 9, and subtract 3 square. Now this becomes x plus 3 whole square. Minus 9 plus 16 will become what? Plus 7. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the vertex? Now this form, we have converted this to this form. Vertex or turning point will be -3,
minus 3,7.
अब आप मेरे फॉर्मूला से देखो, -6 upon 2a upon 2. So you got the x coordinate as -3. Now, sir, if we have to solve questions in exam, why did I teach you -b by 2a? To check your answer and to make graphs में ये बहुत use आएगा. अब ग्राफ इसका बनाना है तो आप completing the square थोड़ी करोगे. You will quickly you can find the x coordinate of the vertex. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is a faster way. But for your school exam, you will have to complete the square only and then find the vertex. So we will do the same thing. We will complete the square now and find the vertex for the next question, completing the square. So the question says find the coordinates of the turning point on the graph. So do it, guys.
We have to find the vertex.
Yes, sir. Because it's a parabola, तो एक ही turning point होगा, वो उसका vertex होगा. Even questions from exercise 9.6c. So today I am giving assignment because next week I am on leave. I am traveling. So you have to do all questions from exercise 9.7. So please read the questions, homework and the homework. So Kovarsa completing the square method से ही किया है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. -b by 2a formula is for checking your answer.
I checked
अब
my
let's-
answer.
Yes. Correct, Kovarsa. Quickly, guys, quickly.
जब मैंने कंप्लीट
next-
कर लिया स्क्वायर को, पर फिर पता कैसे लगेगा कि कौन से कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं?
बेटा ये अगर आपने स्क्वायर कंप्लीट कर लिया तो आपका जो इक्वेशन है वो इस फॉर्म में आ गया होगा, x माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी, इस फॉर्म में आ गया.
यस सर.
तो बेटा जो नेगेटिव होगा, इस नंबर का नेगेटिव आपका वर्टेक्स का एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट होगा. आपने लिखा ही नहीं ना, नोट डाउन ही नहीं करा. सर तो फालतू बात कर रहे हैं, है ना तानिश? और जो बी होगा वो आपका वाई कोऑर्डिनेट होगा. ठीक है? Here they have written this. If your quadratic function is of the form x minus a whole square plus b, a comma b are the turning points, all the vertex. Okay? Okay, Tanivani?
यस सर. सर आई हैव साइन.
Correct, Anvi correct, Tani correct, Ray. Ora, you can speak your answer.
Sir, 2 comma minus 3.
Okay, let's do this question now. The 8th one. So any problem with the homework, Tanish? I hope you are satisfied with the amount of homework.
सर यू शुड गिव लेस होमवर्क.
So I am giving you 1 week holiday.
सर यू शुड गिव 2 weeks holiday and less homework.
Do the 8th question. Do you know how many places I am going?
Sir 4.
Yes, in 8 days, how many places I am going?
Sir 4.
What do you think, guys?
4.
Kuvarsa, what do you think?
10.
Anvi, what's your answer?
Sir, I think 3.
Mr. A.
It's a 5.
So first I'm going to Bhopal, then I'm going to Madurai, then I'm going to Rameshwaram, then I'm going to Kanyakumari, then I'm going to Tiruvananthapuram, then I'm going to New Delhi, then I'm coming back. So 6, 7 places. No one is correct. Do the question, guys. Don't talk and disturb me. Check the answers. I think Anri and Ore both you are wrong. Anri is correct actually. So 9.5.
Sir, mine is wrong or?
1 second, 1 second. So Anvi is correct. Ore, you are wrong. Ray, you are wrong. Kuvarsa, you are wrong. And Tanish, you are also wrong.
Sir, can I speak another answer?
You want to speak another answer?
Sir,
Yes,
is it
sir.
minus 1 comma minus 7?
Yes, you can speak.
Sir, 3 and minus 13.
No. You
Minus
see
1
how it
comma
works.
minus 7.
Listen up. Let me explain. So first of all, you forget the minus 4. 3 common लिया, you got x square plus 2x minus 4. ठीक है? Any doubts in this? अब मुझे इसको whole square बनाना है. So 3, I will divide this by 2, then square it. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 4. Do you agree? So 3 times x plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 4. So 3 times x plus 1 whole square minus 3 minus 4. So 3 times x plus 1 whole square minus 7. So answer will be minus 1 minus 7. Mr. Ray and Kuvarsa and Ora.
कैसे हो गया?
Yeah?
तो -1 कैसे हो गया?
बेटा ये +1 -1 किया ऐसे. ठीक है, ये होल स्क्वायर बन गया, ये यहाँ आ गया -1. अंडरस्टूड? Then because this was inside the bracket, so when I take it out, I have to take it as -3. Tani, understood or not? ये -1 कैसे हो गया? क्या बोल रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
बेटा, can you read? Do you know reading?
Yes, sir.
ये बेटा एक बार रीड कर दो ये स्टेटमेंट. ये स्टेटमेंट फिर नहीं लिखी होगी आपने, मुझे पता है.
Sir, कौन सी?
रीड कर दो बेटा ये दोनों.
Sir, y is equals to x minus a whole
When it
square.
is x minus a, तो vertex a होती है. अगर x plus, if you have x plus 5, then vertex will be -5.
सर पर फिर
Understood?
आगे वाले क्वेश्चन में तो मैंने
नहीं
दूसरी
बेटा, आपने यही करना था, आपने मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर लिया. तो चलो, we'll do one more question. 9th one. Anvi, I will share the recordings with you, beta, but in the 9th one, you take -2 common. So I am doing the first step for you guys. First, I will rearrange -2x square minus 3x plus 4. So I will take -2 common. I will be left with x squared plus 3 by 2x plus 4. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion in the first step, Tani Bani?
No, sir.
And we just see if there is any typing mistake in your answer. Orion, correct? You can leave, Peter. Orion.
Thank you, sir. Pass on.
Ray, your answer is wrong. You can send me the screenshot.
Sir, I don't think there's a typing error.
Then Rita, we wait. You can send me a screenshot. There is a mistake in your y coordinate. X is correct. Reyansh, Peter, don't do shabby work. I won't be able to understand this. So Ure and Tanish,
Sir, I'm not able to solve.
what
Sir, I
about
got the x value but not the y.
what's the x value?
Minus
Sir,
0.
X value is minus 0.75.
Yes. So see guys, देखो वही technique. इसको आप divide by 2 करो. What you will get? 3 by
4.
When you will divide this by 2, you will get 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
So then square it, plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Divide by 2, square it. Ray, any doubt? Anvi, any doubt?
No.
Ray, Anvi, please keep on unmute. Then this will be x minus 3 by 4 whole square. Because I have used this minus 9 by 16 plus 4. Then this is minus 2x minus 3 by 4 whole square. And when I will take this out, this will become minus 2 into minus 9 by 16. That will be plus 9 by 8 plus 4. So this will be your C, which will be equal to 41 by 8. All right, Anvi.
Okay, sir.
Guys, take a screenshot. देख लो अच्छे से. Understand, because I won't be there if you get doubts.
Sir, I got it later.
Okay, Ray, Tanish,
Yes,
Yes.
sir, I've written it.
you can take a screenshot if you want.
Sir, I've written.
See guys, अगर ये बाहर आएगा, if this will come out, what will happen? This will have to be multiplied with minus 2. This point is very important. Because जैसे ही I released it from the bracket, I multiplied it with minus 2. Mr. Ray, understood?
Yes.
Okay, if there is something urgent doubt, you can text me. I will put my cell phone. I'll try to revert. All right. Bye, guys. Have a
Bye.
nice time.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.